everybody, it's Raven Janae. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a wash and go on my big chopped hair. I hope y'all can see this with the brown door in the background. But this is my hair, y'all. I freshly washed it. Y'all might see my line sister pop in. But today I am going to be using only 2 products, and those are going to be the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream, and I'm going to be using this as my leave-in, and then my Ampro Pro Style Olive Oil Gel. So I'm going to section off a portion of my hair, and because it's so short, I have to use clips to section it off because it can't fit into a ponytail right now. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz it with some water. And then we're gonna go in and detangle it with my easy detangler brush. Okay, so now that we've detangled it, we're gonna use your Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. This stuff is so thick, y'all. It's barely coming out the bottle. I'm gonna smooth that through my hair. Detangle it, or distribute the product evenly. Then after I do that, I'm gonna go in with my gel. And I actually like to use this sometimes, like when I wear it in a fro and not a really defined fro, like kind of like a poofy one like this, because it still defines my curls, just not as well, and it's very moisturizing. So now I'm taking my gel and I'm gonna apply a nice amount to the section, and I just rake it through. I've never been a fan of the Shingling Method, y'all, because it just takes too long, honestly. And my hair is thick, so that would just take all day. And look how defined those curls are. Okay. Sorry, y'all, this brown door is in the background. My sister was in my bathroom at first, so I just decided to record in my room. And then I'm gonna continue to do the same thing throughout the hair. And then I'll come back towards the top because I think I'm gonna part it to style it. But y'all know this section is where I have heat damage at, so it's still straight pieces. It's kind of grown out now for my faux locks, but I'm probably gonna shingle that part. So I'm just gonna continue. Okay, y'all, so this is how my curls are looking. I just finished the back section. Let me turn around and see if you all can see it. I hope you all can. I don't have the best lighting in my room, y'all, but yes, this is how my curls are looking. So I'm gonna go and try to get to the top section, then I'm gonna come back and show you all how I style it. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I finished this side of my hair. So now I'm about to do this side. And I usually like my part on the left side, so let's keep going. Sectioning off the hair as I did before. Clipping the rest away. Oh, y'all, and today is my first day of school, my first day of my senior year at college. So this will be going up, this video should be going up this week, so happy first day, or first week of school to the people that are still in school, whether that be college, high school, whatever. But I'm spritzing the hair with some water. Going in with my easy detangler brush. Just detangling the hair. Y'all, I have noticed that since I cut my hair on my own, the back of my head, like this section, like the mid back of my head is way longer than the rest of my hair. But it's okay, because y'all, I can't squeeze this out. Because once it gets to growing and I go to the shop to get my hair done and actually get it professionally cut, it'll be even. So I'm just gonna let it do what it's gonna do. And as I've stated in my previous video, the top section of my hair is really the problem section, especially on my left side. Like the hair just is not defined as well. And make sure that however y'all want y'all hair to lay, that's the direction that you're applying the gel in, because it's going to dry like that. So do y'all see here how the hair is not as curly? Because my heat damage is starting to start, which is in this section, from having my weave out over there all the time. So this is what it's giving right now. Curly Sue. Okay. Now I am going to have like two or three more sections left. Oh, this is tangled in my hair. So now, wiping off my hands, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to do my part. And I like a deep side part, so that's what you see me doing here. Perfecting my part. Section the hair off. I'm gonna do the bottom section first. Okay, y'all, so I finished applying the gel to this bottom section. And for my girls that have like problem sections like this, like how it's not as curly as the other, I'm just gonna take that with the gel and just twist it. This is called the Shingling Method. And you see how it gives you a little curl at the end? So most of my problem section is in this one, so I'm gonna start by spritzing it. Detangling the hair. And going in with my curl defining cream. Y'all see how thick this product is? Like, it's not a lotion, y'all, it's like really thick. It's like a butter in a lotion bottle. Applying that to the hair. Now I'm going to go in with my gel. Okay, so y'all see how this hair is straight? So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna fix up my part. Clean up the part because you want the hair to lay in the right direction before it dries. And then I'm gonna section off the hair that's not curling so well, and I'm gonna shingle. So go down the hair strand. And that should define your curls a little better than just applying the gel, because you don't want stringy pieces, you know. And then as my hair grows and I continue to get my ends clipped, this heat damage is going to go away because it's going to get clipped off. And because my hair is so short, it's not a lot of heat damage left over versus me having long hair before I big chop. And it was just so much heat damage in comparison to the curly hair in my head that I had. So just shingling. For my ladies with damage, this is like the best method to get your curls to define. And then you just scrunch it. And that's that, y'all. And this is how it looks. Okay, y'all, it hasn't fully dried yet, but this is how it looks. This is my dope wall in the background. This is how my hair looks. Once it fully dries towards the roots, I'm going to pick it out a little bit. And yeah, stay tuned if you want to see the night routine. I think I'm gonna put it in this video too, instead of making a separate video, but it's just how I maintain my wash and goes at night. Hey everyone, so I'm back, and I went through my school day and my hair is pretty shrunken up. So this is how it is stretched. Then obviously it's shrunken. So I'm just gonna do the banding method before I go to sleep. And because my hair is so short, I'm going to use like smaller ponytail holders. And then I'm going to put a bonnet over it and call it a night, and that's how I go to sleep. You also might see me use this oil, so once I have the parts from when I band it, I'm going to oil my scalp and then go to sleep. And my hair is like 75% dry, so my scalp is a little damp, but banding it will allow airflow to get to it and also help it dry quicker. So yeah, also once I band it, I might go in with a blow dryer towards the roots to kind of just have that separation and be able to dry my roots completely. But I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get right to it. So you want to pull the roots taut, and you only want to focus on the root of the hair because you want the ends to still be curly, but the roots will be stretched, which will prolong your hair. So usually when I band, I would go down the hair shaft, but because my hair is not that long, I'm going to focus mainly at the roots when I wrap my ponytail holder around. So I'm still going down the hair shaft a bit, but not as far, like it's closer loops than it would be for longer hair. And then you do that, and then you move on to the next section. Try not to make it super tight at the nape area because you don't want those little bumps forming on your neck from the rubber band, from the ponytail holder being too tight. So this is how the first one looks, and then the rest are going to look the same. And then we'll come back with a count of how many I actually put in my hair. Okay, y'all, now I'm all done banding. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ponytails in my head. I'll do a spin. Now I'm going to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil, the mango and papaya one. Oh Lord. Just moisturize my parts, promoting hair growth as we work towards growing our hair out. Now I can slap my bonnet on and go to sleep, y'all. Okay, so that's it. So thank you all so much for tuning into my wash and go and nightly routine video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love to hear you all's input as I work towards, you know, sharing my hair journey with you all. I want you all to be a part just as much as I'm showing you all how I'm trying to grow my hair back, y'all, because I'm trying to be like Pocahontas, okay? But yes, thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all with another video probably next week. Bye.